First of all, before I introduce myself,
now tuned into the greatest.
This foundation right here, y'all, oh my gosh. Maybelline, Maybelline, Maybelline. Je sais pas si qui est en train de faire ça. Naivete, I don't know who is doing what in Maybelline factory right now. But the stuff that Maybelline has been bringing out, I don't think you guys hear me. Maybelline has been bringing out some fire, okay? Maybelline is like NYX Maybelline at this point right now. I don't know what to tell y'all, but this foundation is by far the best drugstore foundation I've ever tried that is a full coverage. So before I get into the video, I just wanted to say this. Now let me do my intro. Okay.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the Valentine's Day. I will be using my NYX Buttercup lip gloss that I got from Ulta. Today's look will be featuring the beautiful Miss Gabrielle Union. Okay, listen, I'm a huge supporter. I'm not gonna say fan, but I'm a huge supporter of Gabrielle Union, y'all. And I just feel like I need to dedicate this look, Valentine's Day look, you know, my inspiration. This look is a big inspiration from, am I saying that right? It's an inspired look. This look is oh shoot. Girl, listen, okay, this look is inspired by Gabrielle Union. That's what I was trying to say. And I'll be using my NYX gel pen. Well, not gel pen, my NYX gel eyebrow. My NYX eyebrow gel in the color Espresso. My eyebrows be giving me, I don't know, like, listen, my eyebrows gives me a lot of trouble, and the fact that it's growing out, I'm like trying my hardest to like get that Nike upside down arch, but this is just giving me a whole bunch of trouble. I don't know, okay, I try my hardest to make it look snatched, but looking at the picture, her eyebrows aren't doing good either, so we're equal, okay. Today I'll be using Maybelline, okay, show it, girl. Listen, show it right. Show it. Oh my gosh. There you go. Maybelline New York. I decided to give this product a try. And I've been hearing words, you know, from the street saying that Maybelline is popping right now. So I said, okay, let me go. And the way my bank account is looking, I shouldn't be swiping my card the way I swipe my card. But Maybelline have been doing some crazy stuff for drugstore products. Okay, it's like at the top of the shelf. This concealer is by far the best concealer I've used. That's a drugstore concealer, and I'm not a big fan of using drugstore concealers. The only concealer you'll find me using will be the LA Girl Pro Concealer, which is this brand right here. I will be using this to, you know, clear out my dark circles and my uneven skin from dark spot. People be going OD with this. You can't do the OD with this, okay? You can't go OD with this because your makeup gonna look orange. And I'm gonna do a video showing you guys how to use it. But I'm gonna use my Maybelline concealer for my eyelids, and I'm gonna do all that with my Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. Is that what you call that? Something about this setting powder. It comes up really powdery, okay? It was my first time using it. I didn't know how to use it. I thought it was going to be the same as my Sacha Buttercup. My Sacha Buttercup, I can control it, but not that one. So I'm going to use my Juvia's Place palette. This palette is very pigmented. I highly recommend you guys to give this company a try. Reason why is because it's very affordable, and it's pigmented. Is really good for dark skin, especially dark skin girls. I mean, I'm brown skin. I consider myself dark skin, but yeah, the look that I'm doing, she had like, it was like a, what do you call it? Dang it. It's gonna come to me. I'm gonna be using that black right there from my Morphe palette, and it's gonna be like a smoky eye. That's the word. Yes, got it. It's gonna be the smoky eye. I wanted to go in with my light brown, type of brown, you know, translucent, as my transition. Girl, know your terms. And I'm gonna use that on my eyelids, and I went in with the dark to go over that transition as a, you know, kind of a smoky eye look. Smoky eye. I love Gabrielle Union look because her looks is not like you're doing too much. You know, like, I don't know, I feel like nowadays makeup is being over top. I mean, everyone have their own preferences, but for me, I like to wear stuff that I can be comfortable with outside of the house. You know what I'm saying? Like, something that doesn't look too much, but just enough. So with that, I'm going to add that color right there. I can't see the name of it, but it's also part of my Juvia's palette. My Juvia's Place palette. And I'm going to use that as like, not like I didn't do like a cut crease. And I also have like a hooded eye. So like cut crease, I should definitely bring my cut crease all the way up. But I didn't want to do that because I didn't want to do a cut crease. I just wanted to set that shadow to just, you know, I don't know, I just wanted to put the color up there because it looked like that in the picture. But she didn't really have a cut crease. She kind of like had a cut crease but didn't look like a cut crease. But with that, I'm gonna, girl, I'm mumbling and everything. I don't know what I'm doing with my life right now, but I'm trying to give you guys a listen. Let me pause.
Now tuned into the greatest.
I don't think y'all heard that. Let me do it again.
Now tuned into the greatest.
I almost let the beat drop on y'all for a minute. I should have let the beat drop for y'all for a minute, but I didn't want to do that because it's going to be a whole nother litty party up in here. But yeah, this foundation, y'all, it's amazing. And I have oily skin. The craziest thing about this foundation that I've noticed is it sits very well with my oily skin. Like, I don't feel cakey throughout the day. Yes, I'm still like oily, but it's not like is running down my face oily. Like, it says what it does. And the thing about this foundation that I did figure out was you got to be really careful how much you put of it, because right now I'm looking kind of Oompa Loompa-ish, you know. The colors run pretty orangey if you are my skin tone. I think I have to like mix my foundation either way, but I'm gonna go back in with my Maybelline concealer. I got it right the first time. Hey. And this will be one of the concealers. I mean, what I'm trying to say is this concealer, the color highlighting, Alfie, get your words right. Highlighting is going to tone down that orangey kind of color, and it's going to bring my face back into life. I'm not going to contour my nose. What I am going to do is I'm going to push my concealer towards like the bone of my nose, if that's making sense, to the point where it looks like I contour my nose, if I'm making sense on that part. But my face is round, so some people tend to forget the definition of contouring. You don't want to contour everywhere, okay? Just contour the place where you want to snatch your face up. This powder is really good. I must admit, this powder is very good. Although, listen, I don't know what happened to me when I started using this. Listen, girl, I used a little bit too much of it, okay? I used a little bit too much. I try to play it off on here, and then I realized I can't play it off. Y'all gotta see it. I used a lot, okay? I wasn't expecting for the powder to be that much on my face. But I'm gonna use my contour palette to set my cream. Did I cream contour? I don't even remember. I was over here looking at this Maybelline. But yeah, I used so much of this. So much. When I tell y'all I try to play it off, it wasn't working, mama. It wasn't working. Like, so much of it that face, listen, that right there, that, if I take a picture, show them, right? Okay, listen, we gonna bronze, okay. But let me talk to you about the flashback. If I take a picture, you guys gonna see the flashback because I used so much of that powder. It didn't even blend, like, what the heck. But I'm gonna go in with my black Radiance, and I'm gonna try to do the light blush because she didn't have a heavy blush on her for her look. It wasn't like heavy, and I'm gonna go back in with that and I am going to set my under eye and to give it that dark smoky under eye liner. I don't even know if I'm making sense, but if you look at the picture, that's what I'm trying to do with my under eye. And I'm gonna go back in with my bronzer because she didn't really use highlight. And yes, ooh, yeah. And now with the lips, I'm gonna line that up with my NYX Butter Gloss. I couldn't find the exact color she used because NYX is just so dang on famous and they run out of colors really fast where I live. So it's like we went with the closest color we could find. And this is beautiful. I love it. I freaking love it. This look is amazing. I'm talking too fast and too much. But yeah, I love the look. I love how it came out. It's not too much, not too little, but set it off with that Mario Mario Bizu. And yeah, with the look, I decided to put a 2-in-1 video. So I'm gonna do my hair, this look, this hair. I did a tutorial on it. It's a hair by Sunburn Company. I left the review down below if you guys want to check them out. It's a beautiful company and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Was that a good way to end it? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, subscribe, and have a good Valentine's Day. I'm not doing that for my Valentine's Day. I'll be watching Netflix. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next video. Bye bye.